gusto mong magsalita, pero parang wala ng boses na lumalabas.
Minsan, feel mo mag-isa ka.
You don't feel like you belong. Undecided kung saan ka pupunta. Is there any hope left? But wait, what if it's not the end pala? What if may daan na naghihintay sa'yo? Isang landas kung saan ka nararapat. A place that unlocks a new world within you.
Welcome to the Bachelor of Arts in Communication, kung saan hawak mo ang susi ng ugnayan. Tiyak na marami kang skills na matututuhan dito. At nasa iyo ang boses that will surely make an impact.
And ma-embrace mo rin ang creativity dito. Tell stories gamit ang lens ng camera mo. Bawat capture mo ay worth 1,000 words.
And syempre, high-tech din ang ganapan dito. Show your talent and technical skills. Ipakita ang angas mo sa video editing. Immerse yourself and communicate through social media. At makipag-bonding sa iba with a single click. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting theater and filmmaking activities. Damahin ang bawat emotion. Isabuhay ang bawat character. And let your acting skills take over.
Hala, sorry guys. Di ko pala na-record.
Sa sobrang diverse ng communication course, you will be involved in so many fields. Hindi ka lang basta matututo, mahanap mo rin ang boses mo. Maraming opportunities ang kakatok sa'yo. A bright future is waiting for you here. O ano, tara, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa communications. Let your voice be heard.